Hello and welcome to another haul. Finally, I'm able to pick these back up again. And we just have a few things today. I'm not too sure what some of them are because I've ordered quite a lot recently. So we're just going to jump right in with the smallest to biggest. Aha, I know what this is. I'm actually really excited about this. It's my Hongjun cards. It finally completes my episode 3 set of all of the members because this is the final MMT card I needed. Oh my god, this is so exciting. It's been a long time coming and it's finally here. So it is actually his whole set, but the other cards have been sold. So this is the card I needed. And these have just been sold already. I can't believe I finally have this. Oh my gosh, it completes everything. I'm moving on to the next one. Yes, finally. This is a Minso from Saturday. And that means I finally have Minso's set completed. I just need 3 cards to complete Saturday. God, these cards are so cute. I really love Saturday. I've really fallen for them. I've got a little envelope. And this is their art. Thank you. And then we'll move on to the parcels. I think I know what this is, and if it is what I think it is, it's been a long time coming. Postal services need to up their game. Haha, here we go. We have Unsung's Sandy from the Quantum Leap version of their first album, Quantum Leap. And I'm so happy to finally have it. It's been so long. Wow, well done, postal services. It isn't coming from that far either, to be honest. Just the next country over. Oh my gosh. And then this final parcel, I think I know what this is, and if it is, I'm really excited. Okay, to start off, we have Yeri's version of the Day 1 version of Rare Festival Day 1. I'm really happy to have this because I didn't buy it when it came out and I really regretted it. And it doesn't have any photo cards because I already have all of hers. But I'm really happy to have this because I'm trying to complete my Yeri set, or my Red Velvet collection, including all of the albums. And then we have Yeri's version of Rookie. I did have Irene's version. Well, I still kind of do, but it's for sale. Now I have Yeri's, so I've completed this part of my collection. And that concludes this clip of the haul. Hopefully there's more. There might not be, but I really hope there is. So thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back to another clip of the haul. This is so exciting, I can't even wait. Like, this is the Saturday Mix Star kit thing, and I'm so excited. I've waited so long for this. I'm gonna do that after this one. Recently I've been working real hard on finishing my Red Velvet collection, well, the album collection in particular, because I had like none. And then this is the latest edition. It is the Summer Magic Normal Edition. I don't think there's anything in here. Oh, there's not. But I'm really excited to add adding another one onto my Red Velvet shelf. And that's the exciting one. I'm so excited. I wasn't as in love with them as I am now when I first joined it, so I really do regret not getting like a higher set. But I am excited nonetheless. I don't know if there'll be an invoice. Never ordered from Mixer. No, just the whatever it is that I got. It's like a group USB thing. It's all I could really get at the time, so I wasn't as in love with them then. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I think it's like a USB that's got all of their songs on. I don't know how you use it, but I don't want to break it. So I don't know if I'll try. Oh, okay. And it just kind of does that. It's got all their songs on it. But I am literally, how cute is that? I love Saturday beyond belief. I'm so glad it's finally here. I think I joined this Mixstar in like June, and it's of November now. But this is actually a ridiculously short clip. There definitely was not enough here for a section of the haul, but this is so exciting. I'm so happy about this. I do wish I'd got a higher set though. But it's so cute. I did buy Hannah's, because Hannah's my bias. I'll be collecting OT5 album cards, but Hannah's my bias, so I'm gonna get her in like special cards, and I've already bought her Mixstar sort of card that came with some of the higher sets, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, thank you for watching this section of the haul. Hello and welcome to the next clip of the haul. I just have like 3 things here, all from Korea actually. We'll just get started. We'll go smallest to largest. I have a rough idea of what most of these are, because I kept a list of what I ordered this time. Oh, this is my songwriter cards. For episode Finn. This is just A and Z, normal edition. That's his set actually. And then the next one. This is Empathy, I think. Can't remember which Empathy one. We've got his Reality photo card. And then just some freebies. I know, is this like one of those ones you can print? I don't know. But it said it was official. I mean, that is an official sticker. Oh, okay, never seen that before. If any of you know what that means, can you please put it in the comments? And then moving on to the bigger one. I think this is an album, either Nature or G-Friend. This is their first album, I think it's Girls and Flowers. Let's get this up a little bit. Girls and Flowers. Yes, I'm gonna open it as I already have all of the photo cards I need for it. So we'll just see who we got. This album was actually really cheap. It was like £10 or something. Shipped and sealed. Who did we get? We got Lou and Sebum. If anyone wants to buy these, I'm happy to let them go for like a really cheap price, because I already have all the photo cards I need for this album. To be fair, I did not like the title song. I think it's, I don't know how to say it, Allegro Cantabile? Cantabile. But I didn't like it at all. But I do love Nature, so I had to buy it. Because I collect Haru, so I wanted to complete my album collection for them. And I think this is going to be the last clip in the haul, as most of what I ordered has arrived. So thank you for watching.